Ever wanted to bring your stories to life? Welcome to Anijam, the free platform where you can create animations starting from a blank canvas. Earn 200 credits every day just by checking in and explore a vibrant community of creators. Ready to see what story you'll tell today? Let's dive into your first project. Before start today's video, welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So guys, Anijam AI. You'll find the link for this in the description box. You can also check out the community section here, where you'll find plenty of pre-made animation videos that can give you some ideas. We'll be creating an animation video ourselves right now, so without any further delay, let's get started. No editing skills, no script, no problem. This AI tool builds your story from text to video, automatically. For example, we will create an animated story here. To do this, I will select a reference image, and help of ChatGPT I use a prompt. I will simply copy and paste it here. If you do not have a reference image, you can also generate a story using just a prompt. Yes, once everything is done, we'll just click on Go button. Here, you can see that our Anijam AI agent has already started working on this. We will create this story step by step. Now, as you can see here, there are a few specific options we need to select. Since the target audience consists of children or teenagers, we will set the audience all ages category and platform. We will select YouTube, though you are free to choose film or ads if you prefer. We will set the aspect ratio to the standard 16:9, choose voiceover for the audio mode, and set the duration to 1 minute. Once you have finished making all these selections, simply click on Generate. Moving on to the next step, our AI agent will work step by step right here, as you can see. Now that our storyline has been created now, Anijam AI agent creating story scan by scan. As you can see here, total 5 scan are generated. If you want to edit or change something, you can do it too right here. For now, our animation story scan are ready now. He asked about style design. Here we have to select perfect style for our story characters. Here you can see so many style design options. I'll select 3D style design for our story and confirm it. Now that we have provided the agent with the style design specifications right here, it is currently working on it. Once it has finished processing, now he asking concept design. At that point, we will simply click on it. Here, in this concept, you can see the title of our story, A Bond Without Words. Our animated video, generated using our unique coding style, has been produced here. It provides details regarding our characters, objects, and locations. If you like this concept, we can proceed with it. Alternatively, if you wish to make any modifications, you are free to do so. Otherwise, simply click to generate this concept. Now, the Anijam AI agent is launching the first batch of 5 concepts simultaneously and character objects, including the first 2 locations, and is generating images for all of them, as you can see here. Now, the visual world of this story is fully built. Now it's time to choose how we bring it to life in motion. You can go with the Al Director mode for a fast, intelligent video generation flow, or Workflow mode for full shot-by-shot storyboard control. Now we have to select Storyboard Plan. On Al Director mode, generate a final video with audio in one go. On Workflow mode, generate keyframe, video, and audio step by step, and select the AI model, Cdance 2.0 and Kling03, and confirm it plus. Now, right here, you can see that all 5 scans of our story have been generated. Now, in the next step, we will generate the narration. Now, we need to select a suitable voice for the narration of our animated video. Here, you will find a lot of voices to choose from, and you can manually select any one of them.
And here's the kicker. I found a secret recipe for the most decadent chocolate.
I think this voice is really great for my story, so I'll select it and confirm it. After updating speech, we are now moving on to the final stage of the video, where we will proceed to the video editing timeline. Let's take a look here to see how our story turned out, based on the prompt we entered, and we accomplished all of this step by step.
Every story begins with a bond, a quiet, wordless language shared between two souls who understand each other without needing to speak, creating something truly timeless. A bond that speaks without words, felt profoundly in the gentlest of touches and in a gaze that needs no answer, transcending all ordinary means of communication. In rest, they find comfort together in peaceful silence, two hearts at ease and wrapped in the gentle warmth of golden light, content and serene. And in every quiet moment, a story unfolds silently, written not in words, but in presence, stillness, and the gentle depths of human being itself. Every bond is a story, and every story, when told with
So friends, look at how lovely our story has turned out. As you have seen here, we demonstrated how, step by step, by utilizing an Anijam AI agent and simply writing a short prompt, we can create any type of animated video, whether it be a 3D cartoon or any other kind of story. I hope you enjoyed the video, so go ahead right now and start creating animated stories for free.